So here's how to dropship on Big Cartel. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. To dropship on Big Cartel, you can follow these steps. First, you have to choose reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services for the products you want to sell. Ensure that they have a good track record of quality and timely delivery. You also need to create a Big Cartel account. If you don't have already one, sign up for a Big Cartel account. Choose a plan that suits your need. After that, you have to set up your store. Customize your Big Cartel store by selecting a theme, adding your logo, and configuring your store settings. Now, you also have to add the products that you want to sell to your store. You can include products description, images, and prices. Ensure that you have permission to use the product images and information from your suppliers. You also need to set up payment and shipping. Configure payment gateways to accept customer payments. Also set up shipping options and rates based on your supplier's shipping policies. Keep track of product availability and stock levels. Make sure you update your store promptly if products go out of stock. When customers place order on your store, forward those orders to your suppliers for fulfillment. Make sure to provide accurate shipping details. Keep communication lines open with your customers. Provide tracking information and respond to their inquiries promptly. Regularly review your store performance, analyze sales data, and identify areas for improvement. You can also promote your store through social media, email marketing, and other channels to attract customers and generate sales. Dropshipping involves effective coordination with suppliers, handling customer services, and managing the overall store experience. So that's how to dropship on Big Cartel.